Ladies and gentlemen, it's your guy Smug the Ribbon, and today I brought you at the world most beautiful shopping mall. I don't know whether you'll believe. Ladies and gentlemen, come with me. Let's visit Place Vendome. Place Vendome occupy a total build-up area of 1,150,000 meters square. Is a mixed-use development in the city of Mall-Lusail in Qatar, bringing together retail, leisure, and entertainment, making it an ideal seaside destination. The project has been entrusted to the United Developers under the guidance of local investors who are experts in real estate, retail, construction, and contracting. Situated 11 km from the center of Doha, the multifunctional structure houses 2 5-star hotels and Place Vendome serviced apartments managed by Marriott International, up to 560 different retail outlets, and a gorgeous open plaza surrounded by cafes, restaurants, overlooking a canal with a dancing fountain shows 5 minutes after each and every hour. Just a seductive ambience for anyone who will be visiting the most beautiful place in the world. Place Vendome was won the World Prix Versailles 2023 title for the world's most beautiful shopping mall. Wow, incredible! And we are at Place Vendome. If you look by yourself, many won't believe that I'm right at the mall. In this country, this is the most beautiful shopping mall where you can stay, you can dine, you'll get the entertainment, and still you won't be freezed since the ambience is very seductive. It's very soothing. Remember, we are in summer and I'm outside. If you look at the place, the scene, the view of features of the buildings, a lot of brands, a look at the building, the architecture itself. My friend, if you've never been to Vendome Mall, try and do it. And if you've been to Vendome Mall, never lose hope. Come back again. Out the best view. There's some people who have been to this place when it was opened or launched back in a year or some years back, but I would like you just to visit. That's the most expensive mall here. You know, look at the architecture, the buildings, very incredible, the beautiful place to be. Yeah, and remember, at Place Vendome you can shop, dine, entertain, get entertained, and still stay. And one thing, don't forget to carry your kids because they'll never get bored. Kids also are welcome. People are welcome. This is the most enjoyable and nice place. If I look at the water, I think of where I come from. It reminds me of Lake Victoria in Kenya. If I look at the water, it reminds me of Zayako. Yeah, but this water is very clear. Just if the cameraman will come closer, look at the water. I hope next time you see the magic. The magic. The water is very calm. The water is very calm. The sound is calling you at a distance. The sound of the water is calling you at a distance. And here I am. Very incredible, nice, very soothing. Yeah. So, please, if you've never been to Place Vendome or you've ever been to Place Vendome, kindly I call you come. Have the beautiful scenery that you will make memory. At Vendome you will stay, you will dine, you will get entertained, and still it will be the best experience of a lifetime for you because you will be visiting the winner of World Prix Versailles 2023 title for the world's most beautiful shopping mall. And welcome to Place Vendome. Ladies and gentlemen, remember it's your guy Smaggy the Ribbon. Please, if it is your first time to be here, kindly hit the subscription button. Remember to share, follow, okay? At Smaggy the Ribbon. Subscribe, like, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And it's so incredible to hear. I love the views. Look at the downs, the birds. Yeah? Look at the birds. Huh? The creatures. This is the most beautiful place to visit. Don't miss to visit Place Vendome if you happen to visit Qatar. Okay, don't miss to visit Place Vendome. You'll be welcomed by the sound of water in a distance. I hope you are hearing how water is calling people. And remember that at this place where there is water, when the darkness falls, When the darkness falls, there'll be magic. As at now, the water is calm, and that's why I'm here. Incredible. I'm happy to be in this place, the world's most expensive mall. The winner of BRICS Versailles 2023 title for the world's most beautiful shopping mall. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Place Vendome. It's your guy Smuggle the Ribbon. If you are new, please hit the subscription button, like, share, and don't forget to press bell notification button. I thought that I would leave this place so early, but it's very unfortunate. It's also very important that I need to show you what's happening, because I need to show you the best experience that you've never had at night, that we are almost about to experience. So the soothing sound of water at the background is welcoming multitude of people here. It's great to hear the ambience at night when the darkness falls. So we are only waiting for the magic. I could have left earlier, but we are only waiting for the magic so that I can show you best and the soothing nature, the ambience when this place, when the darkness falls. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's wait and see what's happening. It's so great to be here. The incredible experience. So beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, this is the magic I told you. Now see with your own eyes the most and the beautiful experience at Place Vendome, the winner of world most beautiful shopping mall. Remember, Place Vendome won the world BRICS Versailles 2023 title, the world's most beautiful shopping mall. See the magic at Place Vendome. You'll dine, shop, so beautiful, and stay. See the magic. It's wonderful to be here.